All right, we had a video before of a unboxing of a solar battery generator. So I'm going to shut the top of the generator a little bit. Close the cover. I'm going to show you my old solar battery tender which died on me. There's no more blue light going off. So we're going to take this off of here somehow. Let's see, we'll get you up higher. There it is. I can just pry this off. Yeah, there it is. It's just stuck on there. Now we'll go get our other one, a replacement that I already did an unboxing on. So you might want to get a chance, you might want to take a look at that unboxing video.